So as I said earlier, that I'm going to be teaching you, our topic is linear equation. Right? Now, what is linear equation? A linear equation is an equation where the highest power of the variable is 1. I said a linear equation is an equation where the highest power is the highest power of, I beg your pardon, of the variable is 1. Now what it means is that the equation that forms a straight line when you draw it graphs, and it involves variables like x raised to power of what? 1. Let's see examples of linear equation before we now start solving it. Examples of linear equation. Let's say for instance, let's say we have 2x plus 5 equal to 15. Then we have, that is A. B now, we have x plus 3 equals to 7. Then C, we have x squared plus 2 equals to 6. Now, which of these is a linear equation? Look at it. We said a linear equation is an equation where the highest power of the variable is 1. So I want you to know this is 1. Is no more than 1. So that is, when they talk about variable, they're talking about an arbitrary number. Like let's say in these 3 equations, x is our variable, x is also a variable, and this x is also a variable. But this is the highest, that the power of our variable is 1. That is to say, this is a linear equation, is linear. This also is linear because of what? Why are they linear? Can I get an answer in the comment section? Why are they linear? It is because of what? So I want you to type it. All right, that's correct. So for some people that are looking at the comments, what they said is that what is written is that what? That because x is raised to power of 1. We know in our elementary mathematics, we're taught that anything raised to power of 1 will not be written as this. That anything written as raised to power of 1 can just be like this. That is, x raised to power of 1 is still x. So that is why we will not put 1 above x. I hope you are with me. So the standard form of linear equation, the standard form of linear equation is ax plus b equal to c, where a comma b comma c are constants. Now let's move straightly to a solving example in order to see how we can be able to solve simple linear equation. So let's move to the next page. So don't forget, we are solving linear linear, beg your pardon, hold on. Okay, linear equation. Let's not forget about this, which is our topic. So, and we have a solving. So there's a question here. They said solve 2x plus 5 equal to 15. 2x plus 5 equal to 15. So now, what will happen in these steps is that, look at it, we have ax plus b equal to c. I don't want you to forget this standard form. Ax, so automatically now we can now say what? Automatically now we can now say that a is 2 is a, 5 is b, y what? Y 15 is c. So what are we going to do first? Step 1. Step 1, what you're going to do is subtract 5 from both sides. So subtract 5 from both sides. So now look at it. We have 2x plus 5 as what? As the left hand side, while we have 15 as the what? Right hand side. So it's called what? Left hand side, while we have this as what? Right hand side. Right now, so this is we should subtract 5 from both the left hand and the right hand sides. So what are we going to do? We are going to see 2x plus 5 minus 5, okay, equal to 15 minus 5. Are you with me? Are you with me? So what I'm going to do here, the next step that we're going to do is what? We're going to say 2x, now 5 minus 5 is what? Plus 0, equal to what? 15 minus 5 is equal to what? 10. So therefore we have what? 2x equal to 10. What's the next thing that we'll do now? Because we're looking for x. So the next one we're going to be doing now is to divide, right? So step 2 now. Step 2. So you just have to know the difference. Step 2. We're going to what? Divide both sides by 2. So you will now say 2x all over 2 equal to 10 all over 2. Here you now be having equal to 2 divided by 2 is 1. So now say x. So now 1 is the coefficient of x. X is equal to what? 10 divided by 2 is equal to what? 5. So therefore, or can I say hence x is equal to what? 5. Now note, whatever you do to one side, you must do it to what? To the other side, to keep the equation balanced. Whatever let me write it down so that it will be in your mind, that whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other side to keep the equation balanced. Now, so I will want you, I hope you understand this. So you can replay the video. You can replay the video for a better understanding. Now, you go home, you solve this. Let me see. So solve, doing linear equation. So solve this and submit. Solve this. This is a class work. So solve x plus 3 equal to what? 7. All right. That's how to solve simple linear equation. Thank you. See you in the next class. Hello, my name is James. Welcome to class. I will be taking you on simple linear equation. So let's go to class.